unifying all Filipinos.
In this video ay ating pag-uusapan on how to get an LTO driver's license in the Philippines. Ano nga ba ang LTO driver's license? Ito ay given authority by LTO that certify na ang isang tao ay qualified sa pag-ooperate or pagmamaneho ng isang motor vehicle under sa kanilang driver's license or DL code. Ito ang listahan ng DL code sa Pilipinas. Merong dalawang klase ng lisensya, ang non-professional driver's license at professional driver's license. Ang non-professional driver's license ay given sa mga bagong qualified drivers. It signifies na ang isang tao ay pwedeng magmaneho ng pribadong sasakyan on their own. Samantala, ang professional driver's license ang dapat mong kunin kung ang iyong motor vehicle ay gagawin mong panghanap buhay, public man o private. Validity. Ang validity ng non-pro at pro ay 5 years. Ngunit, ikaw ay eligible for 10-year validity kung malinis ang inyong record upon renewal. Meaning, no traffic violation from the date it was issued. Qualifications. For non-professional driver's license, ikaw ay dapat 17 years old and above, and for foreigners, at least 18 years old. Kayang bumasa at sumulat sa Filipino o English, must be physically and mentally fit to drive. Ikaw ay student driver's permit holder for at least 1 month. Kumuha at pumasa sa 8 hours practical driving course or PDC, wala kang unsettled traffic violation, must pass the automated theoretical examination at practical driving test. For professional driver's license, ikaw ay dapat 18 years old and above. Kayang bumasa at sumulat sa Filipino or English, must be physically and mentally fit to drive, wala kang unsettled traffic violation, must have completed and passed the theoretical examination, ikaw ay may hawak na valid non-professional driver's license ng at least 6 months para sa DL Code A at A1, at 1 year para sa DL Code B, B1 at B2. Requirements sa pagkuha ng driver's license. Para sa non-professional, dali accomplish ng APL form or application for permits and licenses, medical certificate, electronically transmitted ng LTO accredited medical clinic with 1 photocopy, original at isang photocopy ng PTC or certificate of completion ng 8 hours practical driving course na i-issue ng accredited LTO driving school, driver's education center at TESDA training center, student driver's permit. Para sa mga 17 years old applicants, parent or guardian consent na may original at copy ng ID and signature ng parent or guardian, original and 1 photocopy ng government-issued ID, at TIN or tax identification number kung ikaw ay employed. Para sa professional driver's license, dali accomplish ng APL form or application for permits and licenses, original non-professional driver's license card, medical certificate electronically transmitted ng LTO accredited clinic with 1 photocopy, at TIN or tax identification number kung ikaw ay employed. Sundin ang dress code na makikita sa inyong screen bago kayo pumunta sa pinakamalapit na LTO branches sa inyong area. Application process. For non-professional driver's license, visit the nearest LTO branch sa inyong area at dalhin ng required documents. Kumuha ng queue number sa guard at hintayin matawag. Once na matawag ang inyong number, proceed to CSO or Client Service Officer at isubmit ang inyong documents para sa evaluation. Once approved, pumunta sa cashier at bayaran ang application fee and receive your OR or official receipt. Pumunta sa susunod na window para sa biometric capturing with picture and signature. Kapag ikaw ay tapos na, proceed sa examination area upang mag-review at mag-take ng theoretical exam. Kung ikaw ay bagsak sa exam, receive your result at bumalik sa susunod na araw kung kailan ka available as long as regular working day for retake basta hindi pa expired ang inyong student permit for 2 years. Kung ikaw ay pumasa sa written exam, proceed sa actual driving test. Ikaw ay magmamaneho depende sa kung anong klaseng sasakyan ang inyong i-operate. Ito din ang magiging basis ng inyong DL code. Kapag ikaw ay bumagsak sa actual driving test, maaari kang mag-retake after 7 calendar days. Kung ikaw ay pasado, pumunta sa waiting area at hintayin tawagin ng cashier. Magbayad ng driver's license fee and receive your OR. Bumalik sa CSO at ipakita ang OR. Hintayin tawagin ang inyong pangalan, claim your driver's license at pumirma sa logship. Para sa professional driver's license, visit your nearest LTO branch sa inyong area at dalhin ang required documents. Kumuha ng queue number sa guard at hintayin matawag. Once na matawag ang inyong number, proceed to CSO or Client Service Officer at isubmit ang inyong documents para sa evaluation. Once validated, pumunta sa cashier at bayaran ang application fee and receive your OR or official receipt. Take the written and practical exam. Kung ikaw ay failed, end of transaction at pwede kang mag-retake after 1 month. Kung ikaw ay pasado, proceed sa cashier at bayaran ang driver's license fee, huwag mong kalimutan ang iyong resibo. Pagkatapos nito, ay pumunta na sa susunod na window for biometric capturing with photo and signature. Hintayin tawagin ang inyong pangalan for releasing at pumirma sa log sheet. Important reminders. Prepare all your required documents kasama ang mga photocopies upang maiwasan na ikaw ay madelay sa pagproseso ng iyong lisensya. Mag-review para sa exam. Maaari mong gamitin ang mga lessons mula sa LTO portal or kumuha ng ibang reviewer. Suotin ang nararapat na dress code. Ang PDC at medical fees ay depende sa inyong location. Pumunta sa pinakamalapit na LTO branch upang malaman ang presyo nito. Hindi kami nagbibigay ng direct assistance. Ginawa namin ang video na ito upang magbigay ng impormasyon lamang. Kung ikaw ay may questions or clarifications, please visit the nearest LTO branch in your area. Would you find this video helpful? Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube channel at i-click ang notification bell upang maging updated ka sa mga susunod na videos. Thank you for watching!